Hello everyone! Welcome back. Today we're practicing 123 sentences for fluency. Listen first, then repeat. Let's begin. Present simple habits. I wake up early every morning. She drinks coffee at breakfast. We work from Monday to Friday. They live in the city centre. He plays football on weekends. I always eat lunch at noon. She speaks 3 languages fluently. We enjoy walking in the park. They watch television every evening. I read books before bed. Present continuous actions. I'm learning English right now. She's working on a new project. We're planning our summer holiday. They're eating dinner at the moment. He's studying for his exams. I'm listening to music today. She's meeting her friends tonight. We're watching a film together. They're traveling across Europe. I'm feeling much better now. Past simple experiences. I visited Paris last year. She finished her work yesterday. We moved to this house in May. They travelled to Spain last month. He started his new job on Monday. I bought a new car last week. She called me this morning. We enjoyed the party last night. They arrived 2 hours ago. I forgot to bring my keys. Future plans and intentions. I'm going to visit my family tomorrow. She'll call you later tonight. We're meeting at 7 o'clock. They'll arrive next Wednesday. He's going to start university in September. I'll send you the documents today. She's planning to move house soon. We'll finish the project by Friday. They're going to buy a new car. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Modal verbs and ability. I can speak English quite well. She can't drive a car yet. We should leave soon. They must finish by tomorrow. He could help you with that. I would like some tea, please. She might come to the party. We may need more time. They should arrive by noon. I can't find my phone anywhere. Questions and requests. Where do you live? What time does it start? How much does this cost? When did you arrive? Why are you leaving early? Who's coming to dinner tonight? Which one do you prefer? Can you help me, please? Would you like some coffee? Could you repeat that, please? Comparisons and preferences. This is better than that one. She's taller than her brother. We're more experienced than before. They're the best team in the league. He's the youngest in the family. I prefer tea to coffee. She likes reading more than watching TV. We're as busy as ever. They work harder than anyone else. I'm feeling much better today. Present perfect experiences. I've been to London 3 times. She's never tried Japanese food. We've lived here for 5 years. They've just finished their lunch. He's already done his homework. I've known her since childhood. She's worked there for 2 months. We haven't seen them recently. They've travelled to many countries. I've lost my wallet somewhere. Descriptions and states. The weather is beautiful today. My house is near the station. Her car is quite old now. This book is very interesting. His office is on the 3rd floor. Our garden is full of flowers. Their children are at school. My job is quite challenging. Your idea is absolutely brilliant. The food was delicious last night. Conditional sentences. If it rains, I'll stay home. If I were you, I'd accept the offer. We'll go out if the weather's nice. If she calls, please tell her I'm busy. I would help if I had more time. If they arrive early, we'll be ready. I'll call you if I need help. If you study hard, you'll pass the exam. We'd travel more if we could. If I finish early, I'll join you. Opinions and feelings. I think this is a good idea. She believes we can do it. We feel very happy about this. They seem quite tired today. He appears to be worried. I hope everything goes well. She loves listening to music. We hate waiting in queues. They enjoy spending time together. I prefer working in the morning. Phrasal verbs in context. I get up at 7 every day. She's looking for her keys. We need to figure out the answer. They gave up trying last week. He turned down the job offer. I'm looking forward to the weekend. She ran into an old friend yesterday. We'll look after your cat while you're away. They put off the meeting until Monday. I need to sort out this problem. Connected ideas. I'm tired, so I'm going to bed. She studied hard and she passed the exam. We wanted to go out, but it was raining. They arrived late because of traffic. He's friendly, although he's quite shy. I'll help you if you need me. She's learning English because she needs it for work. We left early, so we arrived on time. They're happy, even though it's difficult. I called, but nobody answered. Everyday expressions. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome anytime. I'm sorry, I don't understand. No problem, I'll explain again. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? Of course, it's over there. Could you speak more slowly, please? Sure, I'll slow down. Have a great day. You too, thanks. Excellent work today. You've practiced 123 sentences for fluency. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.